Hello and welcome to my channel, a Krakow in Poland experience. We are in the Śląski Museum in Opole, and we are in the second part of the museum because we need to start over here. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button to get notified whenever I'm uploading newer videos, and put your comments below. So over here we are able to see two apartments, like in the years that they were living over there on that time. This apartment is from 1870.
No ale dlaczego to było zimne spało?
Tak, lód się wkładało. Tutaj od góry tą klapkę się zdejmowało, tam jest takie dobre. A to są już takie powojenne. Te toalety, co tu są?
We are on the second apartment. This one is 20 years later, like 1890. You can see that there are no bathroom over here. So no way to actually take a bath. Nice gramophone.
Pan wie, ciuchy trzymali? Tych szafki tutaj nie ma?
Tu jest szafka.
Jest szafka, tam.
Z tyłu.
A jest z tyłu.
Nie, oni nie mieli tyle co.
Było faktycznie
Tak?
zjadły, ale nie ma co.
Very small apartment,
Bo tutaj widzimy ten
as you can see.
A tam co to jest ta kuchenka? To ona jest elektryczna? Gdzie jest
Na
jeszcze-
gaz.
Gazu.
Na gaz.
Gaz.
A gaz. Gaz, tak.
We are going to the second floor to see some additional apartments from almost the same time, a bit later. This apartment is much bigger. We have like 3 rooms over here. This is probably the kitchen. We have the saloon. For sure those heaters weren't here at that period of time. At least you have here a double bed, not like below. You have a pile for taking your personal shit in. And on the same room there is a wózek or a cradle for a small child. Rooms weren't like very big, as we can see. And we are moving to the next apartment. Okay, we are entering another apartment. Probably the kitchen. The stew. Like small hall.
Coś pali fajkę,
No tak, 30.
maszyna do pisania.
Słuchaj, te niemieckie gazety też jeszcze były rok 30.
No może ta 30, a tam to świeci.
We have even a typewriting machine. Continental. Wow. Very simple life at that period of time. That's for sure. A radio. And from here we will go to the third floor, which also have some apartment over there. So this is actually the third floor.
Maszyna.
To jest całe franki.
We have stuff for doing the laundry. And hanging the laundry, pressing the laundry after. Sewing machine. Washing machine. Okay, that wasn't at that period of time, that's for sure. Vacuum. And this is actually another apartment. Over here we have a refrigerator even. Small one, but still a refrigerator. Two sinks. And that is actually the kitchen. We have a saloon.
Takiego
O,
samego.
tu moja chustka, co ja robiłam taką.
No. A to jest mój misio z dzieci. Miał taką samą.
Taką chustkę robiłam.
A mój misio miał taką samą gębę. Zrób mi zdjęcie z mojego misia.
Dobrze, dobrze.
Jednego misia, co miałem.
TV. Wow.
Ale te meble to są te co napisują zestawiające.
We had something similar at our home.
Meble za 60. U ciotki Lewickiej takie były.
Wow.
Mi pisze rok 60.
Of course, everything is covered by tapete. This I remember from my own home, like almost 60 years ago. And with that, we will wrap this part of Journey to the Past. You're able to see how people were living 2 centuries ago, I would say. Goodbye.